we want to look at downloading some data for the Pasteurizer, HTST or hot fill, doesn't matter. We need a USB stick. Stick that in here. On here we have records. In the records we can transfer. We have SD cards on one side, USB on the other side. Every time we choose one of these fields, we have to hit the refresh button. That gives us the next log files, the next set, KZE, refresh, and this gives me the whole shebang. Now, once I have chosen my file, I choose destination, videos, for example, and I choose this file to go over here, and I transfer it over, and then here's my file on the USB stick. That's it. Once you're done, pull that out. That's one way of doing it. The other way, if this is too complicated, too long, if you have a reader, you can simply open your machine. I would turn this off, and then your SD card is situated in here, and you see there it says SD card, a push, and then the SD card slides out of the machine. You can now look at all your files on your computer if you have an SD card reader. Hope that makes sense.